Hello Sanibonani beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Thenjiwe. Please do not forget to subscribe, like the video, as well as press the notification button. Yo, I finally broke my virginity. I really thought I was going to get away with not doing any COVID test until this thing is over. The way I have been so careful. I have not been doing things that might put me at risk. I have been avoiding going out. Even after I traveled earlier on in the lockdown, I made sure I do my 14-day quarantine. I had no symptoms and I just have been careful. But like most people have had to, I've also had to test. If you have done your test, please do share your experience. Let me know when you did it and how did it feel, where did you do it, and also why did you have to do it. The reason I had to do mine is because of track and trace, which is something they do here in England. I am currently still in England, and I have been so scared to go and test because even when they announced that on the 1st of October, South African borders are opening, the minute they said you have to do the test before you can travel and you have to buy the tickets, I just made that as an excuse. I'm like, I'm not going home because in case I buy the tickets and then I test and then I'm positive and then I lose my money because you can't go and test. And number one, it's very expensive to go and test in the area that will give you, in the places that will give you the certificate that you need to travel. It's £120, which is over 2,000 rands. And I do not have that money. I have not been working since April. And also, the tickets are very expensive because not all airlines are working yet. Not all airlines are going to South Africa at the moment. But I thought, I'm not even going to do it. I'm not even going to bother. But I eventually had to do it because I was exposed to someone who was exposed to someone who had COVID-19. How does this happen? In England, they have something called track and trace, which means if you go to a place like a restaurant, you have to leave your name and leave your contact details and address so that if there is someone who is there at the same time who happens to have either symptoms or who tests positive or who is exposed, then they will track and trace everyone who was there at the same time. And something similar happened. Went out to a restaurant to eat because they've been encouraging us to go out and eat. Eat out to help out, which is a government's initiative, or was a government's initiative to help out the restaurants that have been closed and the pubs that were closed during the height of lockdown in the first wave, because we are currently now going through the second wave in England. So if you were going to eat out, the government paid half, you paid half. And they were really encouraging us to go and help out local businesses, go and eat out so you can help out. And didn't your girl go and eat out? Only to then be tracked and traced. And to be told that someone who was in the restaurant, not on my table, not near me, at the same time, had someone in their household who tested positive. So now we all had to go and test with everyone that was with us on that day, with everyone that was in the restaurant. And I was out there with a few of my friends. We observed everything, like they're very strict with social distance. Having said that, rules have now changed. You can no longer be out eating with people that do not live in the same household as yourself. But when we went out, the rules were different. You could go out with friends, and they didn't yet have the rule of 6, which is only 6 people at a time. So we went, and a week later we got informed that we may be at risk of exposure, so we had to test. Good thing is that the test is free. The test is free. And they will send you a text message afterwards. The only downer about the free test is that apparently you cannot use it to travel. You need to go to the centers that charge you, that can give you the certificate that you need in order to be able to travel to South Africa. It's £120 if you want to do that, but that's a story for another video. Yeah, this is how it went down. Thenjiwe. Yes, that's the one. 2909. This is it. My corona virginity gone. Doing my test for the first time after so long.
Open wide for me. Try and relax that tongue. Well done. Try and breathe for me. I know it's not nice, but try and breathe. Oh my god, I don't want to do it.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's just tickly.
You're a liar.
It's just a tickle. It's not bad, Lala. You can do it.
No, you are good like amusing, but lying you are not good.
It's not bad at all. I will cry when I get home so that you don't see it. It's not bad at all though. It's not bad. This is it. I hope I never have to do this again.
Thank you. Confirm your name for me. Danielescu Nicoleta.
And your date of birth?
1st October 87.
87.
Okay.
No, it's not uncomfortable, seriously. It's not
Lala,
uncomfortable
just think about the first time you're losing your...
Just think of it.
One moment.
It's not bad. The more you think about it, the more it's going to be uncomfortable. It's not bad. You start with the mouth. How it feels in the mouth, it's how it's going to feel in the nose. It's just that tickling thing. There's nothing bad at all about it.
You go. Oh my god. Okay, sure. Kiss it your mouth. Just goes up your nose. Try and relax for me. Just try and relax. Try and breathe.
If you relax, it's going to be quicker.
Try and...
If Donald Trump can do it, you can do
There
it.
you go.
See? Done.
Done. Started. Well done.
I think they did yours wrong. Can they do it again?
No! No, it's proper.
One,
yeah? No, thank you.
Alright, then take care of it.
Thank you.
Oh my
Lala's
god.
like, no, it's proper. That's it, guys. Our corona test time, first time doing it. And yeah, let's wait for the results. And to be honest, the way people were saying it's so painful, it's so uncomfortable, I really expected something more invasive. And people were like behaving like they're having some major surgery, like they're having their lungs removed or something. But it's not that bad. It is a bit tickly. It is a bit uncomfortable. It happens very quick. And we went to have ours done. It was, it's a drive-through. You sit in your car. They come and do it. Comfort of your car. You don't even have to get out. It's a center. It's a drive-through. And it wasn't bad. It actually wasn't a bad experience. It actually was not a bad experience at all. I am hoping that my results will come within 24 hours because they do say it will come between 24 and 72 hours. The earlier they come, the better, because now I am so worried. Even though I do not have symptoms, and I know you do not have to have symptoms in order to test positive, I am just so scared, and I am hoping that it's going to come out soon. Then I know my status, then I know to do the right thing, because at the moment I'm just gonna be staying at home. Yeah, so it's been scary. And in my son's school, they also had a case of one of the teachers, but fortunately nobody else was affected. They only closed for one day, and then they said it was safe for everyone to go back to school. I do not think I am at risk, but I do believe that we should all behave like we do have this COVID-19 so that we can be careful we do not pass it on, or we do not catch it from people who already have it. I will be sharing my results with you when I get them. Hopefully it's going to be within 24 hours. And I would like to encourage you, if you have symptoms or you have been exposed to someone who does have symptoms, do go and get it checked. It is not a hard test to do. It is not painful. It is a bit tickly. It is a bit uncomfortable, but it's not what people have made it out to be. If I had known it was just like that, I would have done it a lot earlier. But having said that, again, some people do find it very painful. My friend was crying, like crying. Not even one, two of the friends I was with were crying because they just found the test but they are cry babies. I'm not even gonna say it's the test. They cry all the time. They cry when it rains. They cry when the sun is out. They just cry. They love crying. So I would not blame the test for their crying. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I am now just hoping I'm gonna get my results within 24 hours. Let me go home, relax, and the sooner I get my results and know my status, the better my life is going to be, because now I can not even go anywhere. I'm just house and car. I'm not even, as you can see, I'm not even wearing a seatbelt because I'm not going anywhere. Please do share in the comment section if you are also in an area that is experiencing a second wave, or if you are now free and relaxed, especially people who are in countries that are now in their winter season or entering their winter season. Please share what is happening. What I will do is I might do a live when I get my results, and we can open them together. No, we won't be able to open them together because I think they will send a text. Yeah, if they send a text, then I would have seen it by the time I share it with you. But I will share the results with you because I do believe together we're going to be fine. But I don't want to lie to you. I've got that, I think 20%. No, maybe 25% of me is scared. The only good thing is I do not have any symptoms. I do not have anything that is of concern. But obviously that does not mean I do not have COVID-19. That does not mean I am not positive until I get my results. Another thing that scares me is I do know a few people who have tested in 2 different places, and one place will come with a negative, another place will come with a positive. So I am a bit panicky about that. So I am hoping it's going to be negative, but whatever results I get, I am still going to continue being very careful. I am going to continue wearing my mask and doing everything that I am supposed to do. Yeah, so that was my experience. Please do share your experiences with me and let me know how you felt when you had to go and test. If you have not tested, why have you not tested? And would you test if you had to? And also, I would like to know the prices. How much is testing where you live? I would like to know how much people are having to pay for testing in different parts of the world. And yeah, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, and also please do like the video and share, and also press the notification button for more videos. And also do visit my other channel, Thenjiwe TV. And I can't wait to share my results with you. Hopefully it's not gonna be too long. Yeah, take care.